AI is overly friendly and it will not give you critical feedback unless you prompt it to give you proper critical feedback. I'm going to teach you a technique that's called simulated debate in order to get critical feedback from AI. And we are going to be testing a Reddit legend business idea, soup tubes. It is objectively a horrible business idea. So I sent over the generic prompt just asking, hey, what do you think of my business idea? It responded with a reality check and said, hey, maybe you should pivot to soup delivery drones instead. And then it asked if I wanted to make a premium chunky tier for my soup tube service. We're going to be using simulated debate, and I have this prompt up on my website at txtechnician.tech underneath my blog section. All right, so the way that this works is that you take archetypes of different types of personalities. In my case, I have a visionary, an executive, somebody who's a coder, somebody who's like a tech person, and then, of course, like a layman. And we're going to have them go through and debate the merits of this business idea and give us feedback. Here is the end of the result. It straight up said that is a no-go, bad business idea, and it gave some very practical reasons for why soup tube delivery service is a stupid idea. And it even gave some constructive feedback saying, hey, a better idea might be a soup kiosk. And I didn't think about this, but you know what? That actually could work. Like a little kiosk where you just go up and it dispenses, some Campbell's tomato soup for you. That could work. I've got that prompt up on my blog on my new website, txtechnician.tech. Mind the mess. I am live editing it because I am short on time and I'm transferring from my old site to my new site. AI is objectively a great tool. Like it's awesome at summarizing. It's fantastic at helping you, but it's just that it's a tool. It's not magic and it doesn't have all the answers and it's often wrong. So whenever you're asking AI for advice about things, take it with a grain of salt. And remember, always get a human's perspective on the subject matter and do exactly how I did inside of the prompt, where you get opinions from various different types of people about your idea. Now, I personally have one dude that I keep on speed dial, and I call him my negative Nelly. I don't tell anybody who he is, but he just always thinks every idea is just bad. And he will give me the bare bones, this is not a good idea because this already exists, or that's not good because how is it even feasible? And man, it can be a real Debbie Downer to talk to the guy sometimes, but he keeps me humble. ChatGPT without constraints is the polar opposite of that guy.